Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring iTunes and your operating system are up to date, because outdated software often breaks secure connections. Once done, restart your computer and power cycle the router, unplug 30 seconds, then reconnect. Next, test with Ethernet versus Wi-Fi to isolate wireless issues. Make sure any VPNs, proxies, or third-party firewalls are disabled while you troubleshoot, as they commonly reset sessions. These first actions remove transient network problems and let you focus on persistent configuration causes. Now you perform deeper network maintenance to fix stubborn resets. Flush the DNS cache to remove stale records, and then switch to a reliable DNS such as 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to rule out resolution failures. Once changed, renew your DHCP lease or run network reset command so new settings take effect. If the problem persists, temporarily disable IP6 to avoid dual-stack routing conflicts. These steps re-establish clean name resolution and routing, which iTunes depends on for persistent connection. Finish by validating system date/time and certificate trust, because SSL failures often look like connection resets. If needed, repair or reinstall iTunes and test while booted into safe mode to exclude third-party interference. Create a fresh user account and try signing in there to determine whether profile settings are corrupt. If all else fails, connect to a different network or use a mobile hotspot. This isolates ISP-level issues. One tip: if errors continue, capture logs and note exact timestamps to aid deeper diagnostics or support calls.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.